Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? So this video is going to be special for Zilliqa holder because a lot of holders do very big mistake and those days because this is the end of month. So therefore, a lot of holders do this mistake to they starting selling now. But I request you, my brother, this is very big mistake you do. You are starting selling. Absolutely, this is very big mistake to you are starting selling. Why? I prove in this video, my friend. And this is live price prediction to upcoming days. They're going up or they fail us down. Zilliqa is one of the cheap price coin, my friend, and this is absolutely going up very fastly. In the previous days they also going up like a rocket, but my friends in the first 2 weeks they very badly falls down, my friends. You can see here this time they completely in the last 1 hour starting moving up like a rocket. So this is definitely good reason, my friends, change occur and completely going up. So congratulations everyone, they change occur as a 0.36% going up. What a brilliant shot, my friend, today starting moving up. But definitely, my friend, all cryptocurrencies is going up in those days. So Zilliqa is also is one of them, my friend. But this time you can see here the latest price is 0.19 US dollar, my friend. The price is also increasing now the same time. Let's check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart and then we do a prediction to upcoming days. They going up or they fail us down. Okay, my friend. So let's check out the last 7 days chart. Please like this video, subscribe this channel. They are loading. Please subscribe this channel for latest news. Okay, thank you so much for subscription. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the change occur as 7.06% going up. So absolutely, my friend, this is also good change occur. And I hope, my friend, if they take this type of jump, then I hope they go up like a rocket. You can see here if I draw a two line, you can see here they completely go up. You can see here the one line is the highest point and the second is lowest. So they are completely moving up and the resistance line is here, my friend. You can see here they are completely moving up. So I hope in upcoming days they also going up. So please don't sell it. If you sell this time, absolutely you are in the loss. They cannot give you very good profit. So please wait, hold it and wait for a good time. They give you very good profit, then sell it. Absolutely, they cross half US dollar just in upcoming days, my friend. Just in 1 week, my friend, they can easily hit it. So what you say, please share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.